interest on drawings missed out. It means partnership final accounts has been prepared already, and this interest on drawings is missed out to record in the books of accounts. Now, first of all, we need to check the impact of such error of omission. Interest on drawings is credited to profit and loss appropriation account. It's an income for the firm and expense for the partner. Income for the firm and expense for the partner. आर्बिट्री वैल्यू से हमें समझ में आएगा यहाँ पे कि इफ प्रॉफिट नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म इज 10,000 एंड 3 पार्टनर्स composite amount of interest on drawings, if it is 5,400, the divisible profit among partners will be 15,400. Means distributable profit will be 15,400. By chance, if this interest on drawings is missed out, the 10,000 rupees, the same amount will be distributed among partners by way of divisible or distributable profit. कहने का मतलब इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स इनकम फॉर द फर्म एंड एक्सपेंस फॉर द पार्टनर है. अगर ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट पे, सो इट विल रिड्यूस द अमाउंट ऑफ डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट एंड लेस अमाउंट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग पार्टनर्स बाय वे ऑफ डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. तो हाउ टू पास द रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री फॉर सच एरर? एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सब क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पेज 31 पे, लता गीता एंड प्रवीणा, देयर आर 3 पार्टनर्स शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस इन द proportion. The proportion itself, it is not given, so we need to assume as per partnership deed it is 1:1:1. 3 partners profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. Interest on drawings 2,700 for Lata, 1,200 for Geeta, and for Praveena 1,500 has been missed out, and profit is distributed among partners without this interest on drawings. So working note for this error: partners Lata, Geeta, Praveena. First of all, interest on drawings 2,700, 1,200 and 1,500. Total amount is 5,400. Now this 5,400, this amount is less distributed by way of profit. इतना amount profit की तरह distribute नहीं हुआ है जो कि credit होना चाहिए था P&L appro में. So 5,400 distribution as per profit sharing ratio. PSR is not given, so we assume as per partnership act equal ratio. So 1,800 to each partner. Lata में 2,700 minus 1,800 is 900. Here 1,200 minus 1,800 is minus 600, and 1,500 minus 1,800 is minus 300. Rule is exact opposite as compared to IOC missed out. IOC missed out में था minus debit plus credit. यहाँ पे minus credit plus debit. As per that rule, Lata's capital account debited by 900, to Geeta's capital account 600, and to Praveena's capital account 300.